Are you tired of your family leaving the remote controls all over the couch, on the chairs, and then when you go to change the channel, you can't find the remote? You're like, where is the remote? Okay, so how many remote controls do you have? Are you tired of all the remote controls laying around the place? Most people have one remote control because you can program it to your TV. It's a universal remote control, and most people use one. However, we have three. So this one is our universal remote control, and my husband generally uses that for the cable, to change the channel, to turn the volume up and down, and to use various apps. However, he likes to keep all three of these close by, and I think this one is for the sound bar, and sometimes he likes to use the subwoofer, and I'm thinking he doesn't have it control programmed to the TV, and so he keeps that one close by for when he's watching movies. And then the same one with this one, I think he does some special programming. So what I did is I went out to the garage. I found this cute little basket, and let's just see if the remote controls will fit in this basket, which would be really cute sitting on this table or sitting on an end table next to you while you are watching TV. Alrighty, so let's see. Woo! Yes, they all fit, and look at that, you can just go and move around as you please. Move about the living room or the den, wherever your TV is. Or when you're not watching TV, look at there. You can just store them. I like to put them over here by this sign that says, "This is our happy place." There you go. No longer have remote controls all over the home. And then you can pick this up, carry it with you, and you always know where your remote controls are. All right, so let me know, how many remote controls do you have for your TV?